I am Ali Abdulkarim, and I'm a consultant orthopedic surgeon at Goring Hall Hospital here in Worthing. I specialize in lower limb surgery. For patients with osteoarthritis of their hips and knees, I am able to offer joint replacement here at Goring Hall Hospital. During joint replacement procedure, we remove your damaged joint surfaces and we replace them with an advanced implant that lets your natural bone integrate into the new implant, meaning longer-lasting joint replacement that moves freely without pain. I always take a muscle-sparing approach with my joint replacement to make sure the recovery is as quick as possible. Joint replacements take about 45 minutes to an hour, and the patient are back to normal activity within about 6 weeks, and with full recovery take about 2 to 3 months. If you'd like to come and see me for a consultation, you can book in online or contact Goring Hall Hospital directly.